I gotta talk to her. I gotta ask her what she thinks.
You better ask the old man River what he thinks. He knows all about them boys. He knows all about everything. There's an old man called the Mississippi, dusty old man that I like to be. Why does he care if the world got troubles? Why does he care if the land ain't free? Old Man River, that old man River, he must know something, but don't say nothing. He just keeps rolling. He keeps on rolling along. He don't plant taters, he don't plant cotton, and them that plants them is soon forgotten. But old man River, he just keeps rolling along. You and me, with sweat and strain, body all taken and wrapped with pain, toot that heart and lift that vein. Get a little drop in the land in jail. I get weary and sick of trying. I'm tired of living and scared